Today, I am going to tell you how to make puris less oily. We have to keep all these tips in mind before starting. Let's start one by one. Now, selecting the flour for the puris. We should always select coarse atta or flour while mixing the flour for puris. In case we require, we can also add 1 or 2 teaspoons of semolina or rava. Mix it well while making the dough. Now next, mixing of the dough. Now while making the dough for the puris, care should be taken that it should be mixed as a tight dough, not like the chapati dough which is very soft. Third one is, as soon as we make the dough, we have to instantly fry it in the oil without wasting much time to allowing the dough to rest, because once you allow the dough to rest, the more it will absorb oil inside while frying. Lastly, do not mix oil while making the dough also, because the more you mix oil in the dough, they tend to absorb oil when once it is getting fried inside.